Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a specific audio decoding board, the ES9018K2M Audio Decoder DAC. This is a PCB mount board designed for integration into systems like power amplifiers or home theater setups, essentially acting as a high-quality USB sound card. At the core of this board is the DAC chip itself, which is the ES9018K2M from the American company ESS Technology. This is a well-regarded chip in the audio community, known for its performance capabilities. According to the specifications, this decoding chip supports high-resolution audio formats, including PCM up to 32-bit 384 kHz and DSD. The listed performance metrics are quite impressive, with a dynamic range, DNR, of 127 dB and very low total harmonic distortion plus noise, plus N at 120 dB. These numbers suggest a potentially very clean and detailed audio output. Looking at the board's design, several features are implemented to optimize audio quality. Multiple sets of low dropout, LDO, regulators are used. This is a common technique in audio circuits to provide clean, stable power to different sections of the board independently, which helps prevent interference between digital and analog components. Furthermore, the design incorporates a separation of ground lines for the digital and analog sections. This is another critical aspect of high-fidelity audio design, as it helps to reduce noise coupling and ensures a cleaner signal path. The analog output stage, where the digital signal is converted into an audible analog signal, utilizes 3 op-amps. The op-amp section is powered by a positive and negative voltage supply, which is generally preferred for better headroom and performance compared to a single supply. 2 of the op-amps are Texas Instruments NE5532 chips, which are commonly used for the crucial IV, current-to-voltage, conversion stage after the DAC chip. The third op-amp is a Texas Instruments TL072, responsible for the differential to single-ended conversion. A notable feature here is the use of sockets for the op-amps, specifically Taiwan Zhongling sockets. This is a great addition for audio enthusiasts, as it allows for easy swapping of the op-amps. Users can experiment with different op-amp models to tailor the sound signature to their preference without needing to solder. Now let's look at the input side. The board connects via USB, and the USB decoding chip is specified to support audio up to 24-bit 96 kHz. It's important to note this specification, as it indicates that while the ES9018K2M DAC chip itself can handle higher resolutions like 32-bit 384 kHz and DSD, the USB input interface on this particular board appears to be limited to 24-bit 96 kHz based on the provided information. This is something potential users should be aware of depending on the resolution of the audio files they plan to play. Other details provided include that it's a PCB mount type board with 10 pins, and interestingly, it's listed as having 5 channels. For a typical stereo DAC application, 2 channels are expected, so the mention of 5 channels is unusual and might refer to something specific about its intended use or a potential configuration option not fully detailed. In summary, this ALOU board offers the powerful ES9018K2M DAC chip with impressive theoretical performance specs. It includes good design practices like isolated power regulation and ground separation. The socketed op-amps are a definite plus for customization. The main point to consider is the stated limitation of the USB input to 24-bit 96 kHz, which might be a bottleneck for users wanting to play ultra-high-resolution files via USB, despite the DAC chip's higher capabilities. It presents itself as a solid option for DIYers looking to build or upgrade a system with a capable DAC board.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.